Have you ever helped set a table and found yourself wondering where to place the forks? Or sat down to eat at a restaurant and wondered what utensils to use? Well, here's some simple traditional etiquette tips on how to set a table. What happens if you set a table like this? It doesn't look good and you have to clean up the mess before you can even start. Let's try another way. To start, use a placement tablecloth, but not both, so the dishes are directly on the table. This is more about looks than etiquette, but you really see nothing on the plate of naturally eaten picnic table. Set out new flowers, candlesticks, or other decorations you like. Candles usually illuminate. Start with the utensils for the main course, putting the dinner fork on the left and the dinner knife on the right hand side, since these are the hands we use them with. Here's the help tip. You always sit outside in consider separate salad, with a salad board beside the dinner fork and a salad knife to the dinner knife. We'll have salad first, then our main course. Notice too that the knife blades are both pointed toward the plate. This is an old tradition from a time when the knives were quite sharp, with silent politeness and aggression to keep them pointed away from other diners. We might have some soup, and since soup usually comes first, the soup spoon goes outside the knives, since you break hand to hold it. Here's another tip. Only set the table with what you need. If you don't eat the soup, don't set the soup spoon. Now for dessert we'll have ice cream, so place the dessert up top since you need it for a little while. Notice the bowl to spoon is pointed to the left. This way when it's time to eat, you just slide it down and in a right spot. If you're having cake, you tell a fork and flip 180 degrees, so it will be right side on the left instead. Next, we'll encourage serving with the plate. You can also serve from the kitchen, then bring it to the table. Bread plate goes up into the left setting, and the butter knife goes on the plate at an angle, again with the plate pointing in. There's only one spot left, and that's for the drinks. Set the wine glass to the upper right, and then place the water glass to the left of it at an angle. If you're like me and can never remember which goes where, think water, wine, W-A-W-I, A-I. They go right to right and not to colored. Another tip. To remember left and right with the bread and drinks. Things B and W, like a car. B, your bread plate, is on the left. M, your meal is in the middle. And W, water, is on the right. Lastly, the knife traditionally goes to the left of the forks, though it's okay to put it underneath them too. For a fancier meal like this one that takes up a lot of space, we'll put it in the middle. Now we're ready to eat. Hopefully these tips will be helpful the next time you are asked to help set the table at a fancy meal. Enjoy!